Good evening, everybody. I am D.Mitchell Frodo from class 4. I am going to show my Codeavour project. It is made from picto blocks. Note, some people don't know this. From 2nd to 8th, there are COVID-19 precaution informations. Also, you must be safe from the new variants, new or old. Now I will show you the project. There is a game which we can play, which is a time-based quiz. So we should click on this button to open it.
Before we start the quiz, make sure you follow these points. Enter the time by looking at the clock. Format, afternoon with seconds 24 hours clock. Example, 2400 hours.
It will show us the basic instructions to be safe from COVID-19 and then ask the question. So we have to type the answer by looking at the clock.
Enter the time by looking at the clock. Format, evening with seconds 24 hours clock. Example, 2400 hours.
So we have to write this again. This is another question.
Enter the time by looking at the clock. Format, afternoon without seconds 12 hours clock. Example, 1 p.m. Enter the time by looking at the clock. Format, afternoon without seconds 12 hours clock. Example, 8 a.m.
This is the last one. It will play a sound when we type it wrong. Now I'll show you.
Wrong answer.
We got the score as 3, and if we go higher than 2, then we will get this screen. Wait, else it will say you lose. To exit, press the home button. And we are back to our normal clock screen. So I'll show you the code. So first there are 7 sprites and there are 7 backdrops. So everything has its each code. So for the backdrop, it is the quiz code. The quiz works when you click this. When you click on this play game, then this broadcasts the message to the backdrop and the backdrop executes these commands. After that, then when you click on the home button, then it will show the variable year, which is 2022. Hide the variable code, show costume button 3A, which is this one, and stop other scripts in this sprite. Then it will.
Before we start the quiz,
Then it will change the backdrop back to the clock. So for the date and month dials, it is almost the same code, except for the go to X and Y blocks. The second arm plays a sound forever using the forever block and the clock ticking 2. It points in the direction of this formula. Current second divided by 60 multiplied by 360 plus 90. and it hides when these two backdrops come. This command is hides this sprite or shows the sprites according to the backdrop, and the weather code executes in the game 1 sprite. It sets the latitude to 23.02 and the longitude to 72.57. The city is Ahmedabad. And the list is also generated in the game 1 sprite. Thank you.